Hello, I'm going to talk about my DIY government project. In my AP US Government and Politics course, we were assigned a group project to create a government. We had to design an island with a name, motto, flag, currency, government system, laws, leader, and survival tools such as natural resources, trade, etc. As a group, we designed the Klimpelsen crane, a small democratic nation filled with natural resources. It was designed as a society by the people. As a group, we decided which part of the assignment we would take care of. I made the laws for the nation. This example is an environmental law, which set up the Resource Protection Acts, quotas for resource use, and animal protection laws. This project changed how I thought about online work and solidified the plans that I have for my future. The assignment inspired me to become open-minded about education. I didn't think that collaborating without face-to-face interaction would work, and this project definitely proved me wrong. I found out that it is actually easy to work with others as long as you're able to communicate effectively. This skill is helpful to me now, especially since all of my classes are online due to coronavirus. Additionally, before I took this class, I had always been interested in learning about the government and how it works. After this project, though, I'm certain that I wanted to pursue a governmental career. Creating a government showed me the basics of governmental functions, and I enjoyed every minute of it. This project solidified my interest in the government and learning its functions so much that I was inspired to apply to colleges with the intention to major in international affairs. I will be studying at Ohio State University as an international studies major and a part of the International Affairs Scholars Program. When all is said and done, thank you, VHS, for allowing me to take a class not provided in my physical school and helping me narrow down my plans for the future.